Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw with ballpoint pen. After a very long time I'm just drawing with ballpoint pens for officially, because I will draw frequently with ballpoint pen, just scribbling down in my papers. But this is an official drawing and I'm going to draw a squirrel for this. Friends, and I had decided to post videos on a series. For this week I had decided to post ballpoint pen drawings. Apart from the tutorial video, the other videos will be in this basis. Hope you like this, and I had decided to post like this because I don't want to miss my video section with random videos which will be in different base, and I don't want that because I had decided to create this channel for teaching others and showing my skills in this platform. And if I post it like this, it will be looks beautiful. That's it friends, and I had already drawn a couple of ballpoint pen drawings when I had created this channel. If you not yet watched it, the link is in cards. And I had drawn a eagle and a snake. I hope you will find it and that will be beautiful. Believe me, this is the cheapest drawing because I'm just using a 5 rupees pen. You must have these type of pens for writing and taking notes in college or schools and thing. And if you can't afford an $70 or $1 pencil pack which have different grades of pencils, you can go with this type of drawings because it looks beautiful and it will get you better at your artworks using the techniques and control of your hand for the drawing, and even in proportions, because you are drawing with pen and you can't make any changes in this drawing, and by that you could be better at your artworks. Yeah friends, so you can use a printing paper for these type of drawings and you find it easy after drawing sometimes. Yeah friends, we are at the end now and I'm just drawing the legs. I'm not having any reference or any keen reference for this. I just took a old photo or the old picture which I had taken in my garden and I'm just drawing it. You can find these type of similar pictures because squirrels could be seen always eating something in trees and in the parks, anything. You can find these type of pictures a lot in the browser. You could take it. I have seen a similar picture as like the same in internet. You can go with it and try it out. I'm just drawing randomly because I'm drawing for my happiness. I don't want the photorealistic look in the ballpoint pen drawings. Obviously in some drawings, but in this drawing, in this case, I don't want it. And thanks for watching friends, and if you have any suggestions in our channel, just leave in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching friends. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you. Bye.